Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, my name's Ashley and this is part 2 of my extreme closet declutter. So in part 2, I'll be focusing on the left side of my closet. I've gone ahead and taken everything out and I am currently sorting through making different piles that I'm going to keep, donate, as well as just completely garbage. So in this clip right here, I'm actually showing you guys that I'm going to be getting rid of the shirt. And the reason why I'm getting rid of the shirt is that although it looks good, it actually is tearing at the spaghetti strap. And the old Ashley would have kept this. She would have worn it around the house, which is perfectly fine. However, I'm really trying to get rid of clothes that has holes and tears and just looks ratty. This shirt didn't really look ratty, but I'm just really trying to implement that, so it had to go. And this is a pile of the clothes that I was left with. And as you can see, I have a lot of clothes that are going in the garbage and only one shirt that I'm going to keep. These right here, I'm just going to move them. I have no idea what to do with them. And at the bottom, I store my linens. I don't have a linen closet, so I've kind of made a makeshift linen closet. So I've gone ahead, taken everything out, given it a nice clean vacuum. And I'm gonna go ahead and fold all my linens, go through all of my sheets, see what sheets are still good, what sheets are missing pieces. So a hack that I discovered that is an excellent space saver in regards to your sheets is to store everything in your pillowcase. And as you guys can see, that's what I've gone ahead and done here. However, I did not lay everything flat. Time was against me, so I didn't fold everything nice and neat. And if you had folded stuff nice and neat, it will lay a lot flatter. But if you kind of just folded it very not really caring, it's gonna look like this. During my whole closet declutter, I managed to come across a double duck downfill duvet in my closet. Sure. Now, this shelf where I'll be housing my jeans and pants will be next, so definitely stay tuned. And I'm not too sure if I showed you guys, but these are the remaining shirts that I have left over from part 1. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for part 3.